Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on Apple Watch SE. First, open the settings and search for Wi-Fi. Wait for it to load and select the network, and then write in your password. Okay, it doesn't write in the 9. It's Q. Give me a moment. Okay, 9 like that. Okay, thanks. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then join. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.